Hey YouTube, and today you're going to hear my friend's reaction to her mail time. What I sent her. Her user is Amy42678. I sent her some gifts. Most of them say where next to them. And then I sent a little something that's really precious to me. I'm not allowed to show her because she'll find out something what I missed out of my list. I got it ages ago when I was a non-member. It's good. And you can't buy them. And they're really rare. And everyone forgets them and don't have them anymore. And I don't know if she has them. But yeah. Anyway, just wait for my fridge. Very fresh. Like Jesus. Okay. Okay, why don't we start? Okay.
Hello YouTube, this is my second mail from, isn't it?
Yes. Go on to mail.
And one from Jabber, I think it was.
That's the rest one I just sent you.
Oh, thank you.
You can buy them. What? That's your reaction!
Okay,
You gotta send some.
We go
That's really
swimming
good.
out!
Wait. That was really good what I sent
I
you.
can't click your name tag. Not allowed to see.
Not him. You can't buy them and they're rare, and that's the ones I always trade with. I had it with my cork doll, but yeah, I sent it to you. No, I like him. No. Wait, no. Where? No. I got your message.
Next one.
Yay, please. That's the color I recycled.
Well, now you have it again.
Thank
Freedom
you.
body hat. Thank you. Chicken.
You can't buy them. They're only from the party and the party.
They
They were the hat I just sent you. I went on Sky High. Smart. No. Chicken!
Block this person.
No! Chicken! Open chicken!
Block this person. I just got my headdress.
Open chicken.
Okay, I'll open
Chicken.
chicken. Thank you.
Well, there's another one I sent you.
Yeah, somewhere.
Don't know where it is. I don't know what it is. Oh. Thank you. Yay, thanks. Yay.
Thank you.
I had two.
Somebody flashed me,
Thanks.
so I have another one now.
Yay, you wanted go next? There's another one. And who is it from? I bet it scribbles. Oh no, it's not. It's never. And it's loading. Why did you send it back? You didn't like it?
I did.
Can't buy them. Only at the New Year party. I'm gonna delete my messages because I need some fill up space. Yeah. You're close to it. Ugh. You have 200. Whoa! I know. I always recycle my mail.
Let me do.
Look.
You do.
So recycle it. So mail time will be easier. open chicken? Oh, yeah, you did. I don't know, there's another one.
No.
No.
I'm so sorry. It's dropped my tongue today.
But you did get good stuff like the meat juices.
And balls. Let me just put my thing on it.